In a forest ruled by the cruel Bear King, fear reigns and all bears live in submission. But one brave bear, Juno, with the help of a young boy named Liam, will rise to challenge the king's reign, changing the forest's fate forever. In the heart of the forest, the Bear King rules with an iron paw. His every command is obeyed and the forest trembles beneath his tyranny. But one bear, Juno, refuses to stay silent. He is determined to end the king's cruel reign, though the path to freedom will not be easy. One day, a 10-year-old boy named Liam stumbles into the forest, drawn by an unknown force. He meets Juno and the two form an unlikely alliance. Liam holds an ancient amulet, passed down through generations, said to have the power to defeat the Bear King. With this new ally by his side, Juno finds hope for the first time in years. Together, Juno and Liam face treacherous paths, avoiding traps set by the Bear King's sentinels. They fight wild creatures and navigate through dangerous terrain. Each obstacle strengthens their bond and fuels their resolve to confront the Bear King and bring peace to the forest. At last, they reach the Bear King's lair, a dark and ominous castle perched on a cliff. Juno and Liam enter, prepared for the battle ahead. The fate of the forest hangs in the balance as they face the Bear King, using the power of the amulet to weaken him. The final showdown has begun. With a powerful strike, Juno defeats the Bear King, and the oppressive atmosphere lifts. The forest, once filled with fear, begins to heal. Bears and creatures once trapped by terror now live freely, and peace returns to the land. Juno and Liam have succeeded in their mission. The forest flourishes once again, bathed in sunlight. The bears, now free, live in harmony, no longer ruled by fear. Juno and Liam watch over the forest, their friendship a symbol of hope. The forest has changed, and with it, the future is brighter for all.